is Dorothy with Dot Scrapbooking, and this is what I'm getting close to finishing the album for my son and his lovely wife, and this is the toast page. So, cheers. Hope you enjoy this, and I had fun making it, especially the champagne. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hi, this is Dorothy with Dot Scrapbooking back again for the toasting page. And this one took a long time because number one, I was having problems with design space, and I was trying to find something that said cheers. And that took days until my husband kind of figured out what was going on. So that took a while, and now I've got a cheers. And then I was trying to find toasting glasses, champagne flutes. And I ended up going to a little bitty scrapbook store, a local scrapbook store, and it's called Personal Scrapbook. And they had this wonderful, I'll have to show you, the die that cut this out and had little bubbles and stuff with it. I ended up using, for this part, I used this what is it called? Vellum that has gold dots on it. So I thought that was perfect for sparkling champagne, right? So that's what I'm going to do for my toasting glasses. So these are the papers that I'm going to use. And my periwinkle, I'm using the light side. So I've got a piece of 12 by 12 vanilla, and then a piece of 11 by 11. And this is part of the Secret Garden collection. And I am going to use, this is the glacier side, and I'm going to use the periwinkle side. So I'm going to put this down, and this is just going to be a one-page layout. Okay, and then I'm going to use, because I had to use some of this paper that, oh, here we have an extra piece of paper. Okay, so I'm going to use the periwinkle side of the peonies. I think they're peonies. And this is 10 by 10. So we're getting about a ½ an inch view, just like for the periwinkle under it. So isn't that just beautiful paper? So this, I am going to go from, this is a 12-inch piece. It's 12 by 7. So I'm going to have, let me put some of my, I'm not putting it all the way to the edge because I'm going to run a zip strip next to it. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 inches, 1, 2, I've got 3.5 inches. No, what am I doing? 1, 2, 2.5 on one side and 2.5 on the other side. So there we go. And this is the zip strip that I'm going to cut in half. The zip strip is a ½ an inch, and so I'm going to cut it to 1/4 of an inch. Okay. And I'm just going to run my adhesive down the edge, and I am going to tuck this under the periwinkle. You know what, well, okay, so if it's 1/4 of an inch, so I am just going to, I'm running it right along the edge of the little dots on the other side, not dots, but dashes. Okay, I don't know if that's going to work on this side, we'll see. Little hard to get it just so. Lord. Okay, come on, behave. Okay, just like that. Now, the pictures that I'm using, I've got like 8 pictures, and I'm going to go ahead, and these are in zip flip flaps. Okay, so I'm going to put, let's see. I'm going to put the top one down first, and I'm going to scoot it up there and kind of give the same amount of border on both sides, hopefully, so that makes it even. And then this one is going to go right on top of the other strip, just like that. So we have these going like this. Now I can put something else right here. As a matter of fact, I could put a little journaling thing here, and I think I'll do that because it's kind of crowded over here. So I think that I will do just a journaling thing, and let's see. And we can put some things in here. Like a little flower to match these flowers. And we can have a leaf and another leaf. and just kind of make it kind of special there. Now what I'm going to put down next, so now these are going to go like this. Okay, so that's going to go there. So I'm putting that there so I can kind of figure out where to put the cheers. And I think what I'm going to do is I ended up having I had all sorts of problems, Cricut problems with this. So my Cricut, which I've had 3 Cricuts, and this one, the one that I use, I've given my husband my used pink Cricut, and he's made t-shirts and hats and all sorts of stuff with it. And I guess I'll leave that out. So anyway, I had lots of problems with it, and then it stopped taking the cardstock in. So I don't know what was going on with it, but I ended up having to use the Cricut I gave to my husband. And fortunately, it worked out great. So okay, I'm gonna just snug this right up. Oh dear. Here, and what was fun is that my son's best friend, Dalton, gave the toast. They've known each other since they were 12. Dalton's birthday is one day before Philip's birthday. So we were singing happy birthday to Philip first of all. And then Dalton gave the toast, and it was quite funny, you know, as only a really good friend. So they've gone to school together since 7th grade. They played football together since the 7th grade through the 12th grade. Whoops. They know each other very well, so they're working together, and it's just been, you know, one of those kind of friendships where they, you know, see each other on the weekends, and you know, Philip has made friends with Dalton's babies, and it's just a really one of those lifelong friendships. So I'm very happy for him. Anyway, and I'm so glad that, you know, Dalton gave the toast. It really was funny. So I am putting my little champagne goblets here, and then I will put my bubbling champagne in the glasses. And let's see, I need some invisible dots is what I need. I'm just going to use some of these kind of dots. And put the bubbly right in here. And also, I was so glad that I just happened to have this vellum with the dots was in my stash. And when I was doing the die cuts, I just happened to have this small piece in my scraps sitting next to my die cutting machine. And so it was just absolutely perfect. And I have a congrats that can go right in here. And we can have, I don't know if that pink goes so good with that. But we can have see, we can also have a little thing that goes here. So we can have all sorts of goodies underneath these pictures. And I will put this along here. You could actually put another picture there if you wanted to. So celebrate. Oh, we've got a nice love. Celebrate love. And let's see. And maybe a wonderful right in here. With a pink heart. So, I think that's going to be it. So we have our pictures with everybody around, listening to the toast and people putting in their 2 cents. And we sang happy birthday because it was my son's birthday too. And families around and friends are around. And so I think that's the page for the toast. So cheers to you. And I may have one more page. We'll see how this goes. So thanks so much for watching. Bye now. Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and learn along with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.